Chairing this event has really been a fun experience. It's not often at a conference where the networking portion, normally you go into the room and you have to go and seek out people and join different conversational circles, but truly one of the funnest parts of being the moderators, everyone already knows who I am. And so everyone's coming up to me. I am not having to go work the room, so to speak. It's really been forming a line and talking to each of the people, which has really been a huge advantage of being the moderator for this event. Chairing this event really has been a fun experience, I would definitely say, and a very professional and excellent environment to network and make those connections and meet those providers. I had a one-on-one meeting that really was something I hadn't expected, but actually could be a great application for me with a current problem I'm facing. So I'm very much looking forward to following up there, and then also just meeting across the country. Sometimes it's a more insular sort of networking environment where you really only, for me in Southern California, I tend to only meet people in Southern California, but here I've already met someone in Florida and someone in Washington and someone in New York, and really it's been the entire country and even someone from Canada. So it has been an international visit as well. So working with our executive producer, Caroline, prior to the event, she was lovely. She was very good about following up on the emails and being patient with me as I was very busy in this last month, probably one of the busiest months of my life. And so that was very much appreciated and really made it an easy experience. And then Julia today in person, super helpful, met up in the morning just to make sure that we had everything together and handled all the last minute little arrangements. Including we had some panelists that I couldn't speak to before the event, and so we just had a quick little tag up that she scheduled so that everyone would come and we could be ready before the event, so I wasn't meeting them for the first time on stage. The one-on-one meetings really are an excellent opportunity to get that exposure to things that you didn't expect that you needed. I hadn't ever thought about needing a permanent magnet supplier, but now when I know I need one, I met one, and I learned of a parachute supplier and of various manufacturers, machining houses, and it's just helpful to have those connections. And then even if I don't need to use them now, I have a warmer connection when I think I need to use them later and need to ask someone a good question to figure out if they're the right fit. This type of summit is really a little bit more of an intimate experience than, say, a general conference. It's a smaller group. You actually can make those one-on-ones. You can follow up with those one-on-ones. So meeting with the suppliers, of course, they're still in the room all the time, and they're there when you have that second question. And then I've had running conversations with a few different of the attendees, just where we talked during one coffee break, and then we went and had our own breakout sessions or something, and then following up on that discussion, and then I know we're going to talk more at dinner. And so it really is that nice chance to make those true networking connections, not just here's a business card and go.